Hi guys, it's Kristen with the APO Creations, and I got some happy mail. One of them is from Resin Mold Box. I think it used to be Resin Mold Express, and then they changed the name. But this one is February's box, and it's called Hearts in Motion. Now, I did have a little sneaky peek already. You know, I had to. So what I really like about this is not only does it give you an example, you know, it shows you what the mold is, but it also tells you the volume, because I know we all struggle with that. So in this box, we got, the first one is the Twin Heart Ribbed Storage Tray, which of course, you know, got to do it real quick for Valentine's. These are so adorable. These are those glass beads. Oh, too cute. Second one is the Floral Love Coaster. Oh, I'm sorry. It's called the Love Floral Garland Coaster. The third one is the Majestic Galloping Horse wall plaque, because, you know, this year is the year of the horse. That is very, very pretty. I think Lula did one of these. Number 4 is the Spiral Ribbed Storage Jar with Lid, which is this one. Very cool. Number 5 is the Diamond Weave Geometric Pot, which is this. That's going to look nice with a candle in it. 6 is the Hallowed Butterfly Decorative Box. And this actually, pardon the crinkling, but this comes apart. And then you can put lights or, you know, something in there. Because this part, I think this part is hollow. Too cool though. Yeah, so this part right here is hollow. And then last but not least, the Ocean Spiral Shell Resin Tray Mold. That'll be nice when it's time for spring. That'll be cool. Put a bunch of ocean colors in it. And then you got an extra bonus. And I really need y'all to tell me, because it says that it is the adorable Barney Yak Planter. And I'm sorry, but that looks like a Highland cow. Does it not? Am I, like, he's got horns and everything. I mean, not that yaks can't have horns. I don't know, but I'm not a yak expert. But yeah, it looks like so many of my Highland cow molds. I think I have one. Where'd I put it? Oh, I don't know. Anywho, it looks like a Highland cow. But you know what? If it's a yak, it's a yak. So that was my Resin Mold Box Happy Mail. Put Barnaby back. And then I also got a package from IntoResin. And of course, they always, for the handmade molds, they always give you the instruction guide. So this is the 12 color 0.5 millimeter Cloudy Mist Fine Glitter. And it's 12 colors. So, you know, when they say extra fine like that, a lot of times they end up not sinking. So, but look at all these pretty colors. So nice. I might use this red. Might use that red, and maybe that says red in Chinese. I don't know. Maybe so. And then I've got this really cute, oh, if I can figure out how to get it open. Oh, here we go. Oh. So they're the crystal numbers. And look, it's a little dollar sign, but I just wanted it for the numbers because I want to make some clocks, but I didn't have like stencils or whatever. So I thought, ooh, you know what? I could make each one of these things a different color. So I am down for that. And then the other thing I got was, it's the resin necklace jewelry mold with built-in pendant bezels. So I'm thinking it's probably very similar to the ones that, like a different version of the ones that you can get at Little Windows, because it's got like a little edge. So you fill up the pendant and then you can back it with gold or black or whatever. Yeah, and they are so cute. Okay, so there's my IntoResin. And then finally, look, you know how we have that hashtag Claire made me do it? Well, this is totally TikTok. So actually it's YouTube, really, if I think about it, because I saw it on I was watching somebody's channel and I saw an ad for it and I was like, oh, I would be interested in that. It's called This Month's Craft. Every month they send you everything in the box that you need to do a different craft. And this month, soap making. Look, it's one of the few things that I have never done. So in this box, you get jasmine buds, lavender buds, and they smell so yummy. Rose buds. This is like a soap bar holder, but I think it's also can be like if you put the soap in there and you cinch the top, like you could use this as a loofah. It's pretty cool. You get a bunch of little wooden, I don't know, they look like Lunchables spoons, but anyway, and then you get 6 of these cups. You get 4 aromatic oil blends. There's orange, tea tree, lavender, and rose. Then you get the soap pigments, red, yellow, blue, and green, because you know I'm going to do this and make purple. Then they give you 2 different kinds of soap. So there's clear soap base, and it says it's got glycerin, deionized water, sweet almond oil, sorbitol, palm oil, coconut oil, palm kernel oil, and olive oil. And then there's a butter soap base. It's got glycerin, sweet almond oil, palm oil, coconut, same stuff pretty much. And then you get 3 molds. Oh, look, some rosemary. This one, I have to wash it because I got fuzz all in it. It says 100% handmade, backwards, obviously. Then you get a really pretty flower. And then, look, I don't know what this is, like scrubby soap, right? So if you make soap and it goes to, and then you scrubby, I don't know. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. So I cannot wait to make this soap. So you will be seeing some soap making videos in the near future, along with some more candle making videos, because I have to make a bunch of candles for some coworkers. So I will be using all of this stuff and showing you how I do it. So if you think that that might be something you'd want to watch, stay tuned, probably after Valentine's Day. and we will get to making some soap. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxings, and join me when I actually do these next week. Oh, and I did get something else. Hang on. It just came. Oh, I finally got the Seal and Shine kit from Boowan Nicole. I've had it in my little wish list forever, and I said, finally, you know what? I want to do that because I've been doing a lot of eco-pore stuff. So it comes with two smaller brushes, this lovely soft brush, spoon for the powder, and then it's got 6 micas. It comes with gold, satin, green, pearl white, chocolate brown, and elegant gray. So I actually did this lovely Highland Cow trio. This is painted with varnish and mica powder. So I used the Create and Bloom finish, and I used a couple of different colors that I have from Laura's Art Corner, and then I just gave them creepy black eyes with black UV resin. So adorable, but it's sealed and it's painted, and you didn't have to do a bazillion different steps. So I cannot wait to try this stuff. Okay, so stay tuned, or I should say tune in next week, and I will show you how I make soap. All right. I'll put the QR code up for the Buy Me a Coffee and the YouTube subscription for the TV. Please like, subscribe if you're not already. Leave me a comment, and I will see you guys for the next video. All right, take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.